Far from the chaos and constant motion of city life, where the air is thick with noise and the streets never sleep, Pulau Pari sits quietly in Indonesia's Thousand Islands, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by those seeking peace. Here, nature's voice is the loudest sound, waves whispering to the shore, birds calling overhead, and time flows gently with the sea, unhurried and free. The island's beauty is in its simplicity. Turquoise lagoons shimmer under the sun, emerald foliage sways in the breeze, and the soft golden light of sunrise paints the beaches in warm hues, promising a new beginning each day. Pulau Pari isn't about grand monuments or bustling attractions. It's about the soothing rhythm of waves and the gentle rustle of palm leaves overhead, creating a natural symphony that calms the mind. Arriving here, you leave behind the noise and demands of modern life and step into a world of calm, where every moment invites you to slow down and simply be. The journey across the Java Sea is a transition, a gentle passage from the familiar to the extraordinary, each moment on the water bringing you closer to peace, anticipation building with every wave. The island welcomes you with vibrant colors that seem to glow in the sunlight, the scent of salt and blossoms mingling in the air, refreshing your senses, and a sense of profound tranquility that settles deep within you. This is a place to slow down, to breathe deeply, to let go of worries and rediscover the joy of the present moment. Here you can walk barefoot through lush forests, feeling the earth beneath your feet, and reconnect with the natural world. Pulau Pari is not just a destination. It's an invitation to experience the planet's simple, enduring beauty, untouched and pure. Here, every sense is awakened by the timeless melody of nature, reminding you of the wonder that still exists in the world. Pantai Pasir Perawan, or Virgin Sand Beach, is Pulau Pari's most cherished stretch of coastline. Tucked away from the bustle of city life, it feels like a secret haven, where time slows and the world softens. Here, the air is tinged with salt and the gentle promise of adventure. Its sand is soft and creamy, meeting crystal-clear water in a seamless embrace. Each grain glimmers in the sunlight, inviting you to sink your toes in and let your worries drift away with the tide. Walking here is meditative, each step a gentle lesson in impermanence as waves erase your footprints. The sensation of cool water swirling around your ankles is both grounding and freeing, a reminder to savor the present moment. The shallow lagoon is a natural swimming pool, its surface mirroring the sky. On calm days, the water is so clear you can see the clouds drifting above, as if you're floating between earth and sky. Wading out, you're surrounded by darting fish and intricate patterns in the sand. Tiny ripples create ever-changing designs, and the playful fish seem to welcome you into their world. Mangrove trees line the shore, their roots sheltering countless creatures and offering cool shade. These ancient guardians protect the coastline, their tangled roots a nursery for young fish and crabs. Beneath their canopy, the island's symphony unfolds, wind in the leaves, distant birds, and the rhythmic sigh of waves. The air is alive with the gentle hum of nature, a melody that soothes the soul. As sunset approaches, the sky ignites in orange and pink, reflected perfectly on the lagoon. The colors deepen with every passing minute, painting the world in a warm, golden glow. The world pauses, wrapped in a hush of beauty and peace. In these quiet moments, you feel connected to something timeless and vast, as if the beach itself is whispering its ancient secrets. Perawan Beach is a reminder of nature's quiet magic, waiting for those who linger to witness it. Here, every visit is a gentle invitation to slow down, breathe deeply, and let the island's serenity wash over you. Just below the surface, Pulau Pari reveals a vibrant underwater world. Snorkelers enter a realm of coral gardens teeming with life, electric blue damselfish, parrotfish, and the occasional sea turtle. The reef is a living tapestry, every creature playing a role in its delicate balance. Floating above, sunlight dances on coral and sand, time slipping away in silent wonder. This hidden world is both fragile and breathtaking, a treasure to be protected. Pulau Pari's reefs remind us how much beauty lies just out of sight waiting to be discovered. Beyond the beaches, Pulau Pari's interior is a lush, green sanctuary. Coconut palms and dense foliage create a cool, dappled world alive with birdsong and the hum of insects. Narrow paths invite slow exploration, revealing flashes of color from sunbirds and kingfishers. Even deep in the jungle, the The distant sound of waves is a constant reminder of the sea. Small homes and gardens nestle among the trees, blending human life with nature. Chickens wander freely and locals greet you with warm smiles. This harmony between people and environment defines the island's gentle spirit. Exploring the Green Heart is to discover both vibrant life and a peaceful, sustainable way of living. Life on Pulau Pari moves at a gentle, unhurried pace, where time seems to slow down and every moment is savored. Here, the days unfold with a sense of calm that is rare in the modern world, inviting you to breathe deeply and let go of your worries. Bicycles and bare feet are the main modes of travel along quiet sandy lanes, winding through coconut groves and past colorful village homes. The gentle crunch of sand beneath your feet or the soft whir of bicycle wheels is all you hear, as the island's natural beauty surrounds you. The community is close-knit, living in harmony with the sea that sustains them. Neighbors greet each other with warm smiles, and children play freely by the water's edge, watched over by generations of islanders who know every tide and current. Fishermen mend nets or set out at dawn, their lives attuned to the ocean's rhythms. Each day begins with the promise of a new catch, and the salty breeze carries stories of the sea passed down through families. Meals are simple and fresh: grilled fish, rice, and spicy sambal, enjoyed with toes in the sand and laughter shared among friends and family. The flavors are as vibrant as the sunsets, and every meal is a celebration of the island's bounty. As night falls, the island settles into peaceful quiet, the sky ablaze with stars. The gentle hum of insects and the distant sound of waves create a soothing lullaby, inviting everyone to rest. Locals gather on the beach, singing softly, their voices blending with the sounds of the night. Stories are shared around small campfires, and the sense of togetherness grows stronger under the starlit sky. There's no noisy nightlife, just the comfort of community and nature. The island's gentle rhythm is a balm for the soul, offering a rare escape from the rush of city life. This tranquility seeps into your soul, offering a rare sense of restoration. Here, you rediscover the beauty of slowing down, reconnecting with yourself and the world around you. On Pulau Pari, the simple joys of life take center stage, reminding us that happiness can be found in the smallest, most genuine moments. Pulau Pari is more than a destination. It's a sanctuary for the spirit. Here, the absence of distractions allows the mind to quiet and worries to fade. The island's simplicity is its greatest gift. No resorts, no crowds, just authentic, unspoiled beauty. Days here shift your perspective, teaching contentment in sunsets, swims, and friendly conversations. The slow rhythm encourages you to rediscover wonder in small things: a seashell, a fish, a gentle breeze. This piece is the island's most valuable souvenir, carried home as a touchstone in stressful times. Pulau Pari reminds us why we must protect such places, not just for their beauty, but for our well-being. These sanctuaries are essential, helping us heal and reconnect with the world. The island's tranquility is a lasting treasure for the soul. Leaving Pulau Pari is bittersweet. The peace and beauty linger long after you depart. The return to city life feels different. You carry the island's calm within you. Memories of turquoise waters, soft sand, and fiery sunsets become a source of comfort and inspiration. Pulau Pari is a testament to nature's resilience and the power of simplicity. Its gentle call reminds us to seek beauty in quiet moments and to value the world's hidden corners. When life grows noisy, remember this small jewel in the Java Sea. Let its promise of tranquility bring you peace, wherever you are. Pulau Pari waits, a timeless sanctuary offering hope and serenity to all who dream of escape.